18 July 2025 and it is the felicitation moment of mine. So I have got this invitation for the collaboration.
Hi, welcome to my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So today it's 18th of July 2025 and I am invited to a fair, lifestyle fair, which will be in Haldiram Banquet Hall. The date will be 18th to 20th July 2025 and the event is organized by Indian Designers Heart. I am invited in the inauguration day to cover the event by Indian Designers Heart. So they are the organizer of this event. I am going there right now. By the way, I will share this in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen, and for the long video you have to watch this YouTube. Hey, why you are skipping these long videos? If I add these shorts only, you cannot get the proper information. So as I said before, you have to register. So I'm going there and you will get to know that what is there and decide your accordingly decide your shopping and visit. Bye.
And finally, I reached to the venue, that is Haldiram Banquet Hall near Baliganj.
It is raining outside, but still I am here at this fashion and lifestyle expo. Let me show you. Let's enter with me.
As it was the first day, so people are preparing everything, the stalls and everything.
First stall, that is woven threads by Kavita. Let's see what she has. প্রথম যেই স্টলটা আমি দেখছি শাড়ি স্টল, খুব সুন্দর। আর ম্যাম এখানে রয়েছেন, ওনার সঙ্গে কিছু কথা বলে নিচ্ছি। আপনি আপনার বুটিকের ব্যাপারে আপনি বলুন।
নমস্কার, আমি ওভেন থ্রেডস বাই কবিতা থেকে কবিতা বলছি। আজকে আমাদের এই এক্সিবিশনে, ইন্ডিয়ান ডিজাইনার হাটের যে এক্সিবিশন, ফার্স্ট ডে ভীষণ সুন্দর লাগছে। এদের মানে ব্যবস্থাপনা প্রচণ্ড ভীষণ ভালো, প্রচুর নানা রকমের জিনিস আছে। তো সবাই প্লিজ ভিজিট করুন, মানে মাস্ট ভিজিট করুন। জাস্ট দেখুন ওরা কত অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট করেছে। আমার মনে হয়েছে আমি অ্যাজ আ পার্টিসিপেন্ট আমি ফার্স্ট ডেতেই খুব হ্যাপি।
আচ্ছা, কবিতা ম্যামের কাছে আমরা দেখে নিলাম, এবার কালেকশনটা দেখে নেব। শাড়ির কালেকশন, আমি নিজে শাড়ি সেরকম না পড়লেও আমার মা তো পরে, তো ডেফিনেটলি আমি কালেকশনগুলো দেখছি, কালেকশন কিছু দেখে নিচ্ছি কালেকশনগুলো।
আচ্ছা, আমার ফার্স্ট আমি বলি আমার রেঞ্জ 1000 থেকে শুরু করে একদম 20,000।
আচ্ছা,
সব কিছু আছে।
তার মানে কলেজ স্টুডেন্ট যারা আছে তারাও কিনতে পারছে।
একদম, কাউকে খালি হাতে যেতে দেবো না, মানে যার যেরকম বাজেট তাকে আমি সেই অনুযায়ী দিই। তো জাস্ট এবারে যেটা খুব ট্রেন্ডি ওটা হচ্ছে পিওর বাই পিওর পেশোয়ারি পাইঠানি।
আচ্ছা,
এটা একদম এক্সক্লুসিভ, কারণ আমি বলছি এটা তো পুরো সিল্ক ইয়েতে আছে। প্লাস এই যে পাড়ের যে বর্ডার পোর্শন, এটা পুরো টিস্যুতে।
আচ্ছা,
আর পিওর হ্যান্ডলুমের, ওই জন্য এটা ভীষণ ইউনিক। আর এর আঁচলটা তো অপূর্ব, মানে এই শাড়িগুলো পরলে যেমন হালকা ততটাই রিচ হয়েছে।
ওকে, আচ্ছা,
পরে আর আপনার সারাদিন এটা হোয়াইট ব্ল্যাক মানে পরতে পারবে। আরেকটা এবারে খুব ট্রেন্ডি আছে শেডেড রসে।
ওকে, এটা আঁচলটা হচ্ছে খুব গর্জাস।
আর পুরো বডি পোর্শনটা হচ্ছে এরকম শেডেড যাবে।
বাহ,
ভীষণ
দুটো কালার আমি অলরেডি দেখতে পাচ্ছি, একটা ব্লুইশ আর একটা গ্রিনিশ মতন, খুব সুন্দর লাগছে।
খুব সুন্দর, প্রচুর হালকা হয়, পরেও খুব আরাম আর এলিগেন্ট লুকসটা। ব্লাউজটা যাবে স্কার্ফ।
Okay, I'm already in the first stall and you can see the sari what I was showing over here, that is really a very reasonable price and bright, good for college students also, and I just love it, so you should come over here. And Rakhi is coming, so another stall. So that is the Rakhi stall. Upcoming Rakhi event, you can buy beautiful Rakhis from here. So let me show you. So this is really eye catcher, I must say, trending basically. And
we are manufacturer of Rakhi, Bandhan bars, siders.
okay, and Rakhi price starts from?
Rakhi price start from 5 to 500.
That is good.
Yeah.
Definitely it's good.
It's our challenge.
And here I can see the jewelry also. Let me see. So these are the beautiful jewelry. wristband, I guess. So your price start from?
My price starts from 400.
Okay.
And you have very good earrings in 500, 550.
All right.
You get the studs and everything.
Okay.
And then you have bracelets which are starting from 600.
600.
So it's
Okay.
a very reasonably priced and very good quality.
I received this.
Here you can get beautiful soaps, and let me show you something. So this is their contact number, everything. And oops, I can't believe this is a soap, but actually it's a soap. It's really nice. What's the price of that?
This is 120.
It's 120. And what I can find, it's very reasonable. And I have seen this kind of candle before, but this is so unbelievable. Really very cute.
We have this also.
Yeah, that rose.
We have this mango also. Mango
That
season
is
is there.
mango flavor.
Yeah. We have pencil also.
Okay.
This is pencil.
Just a second. And this is
a
the book.
notebook, yes.
Yeah.
These are macarons.
Just a second. If you're coming to Indian Designer Hut, I will suggest this place definitely. My not personal choice, but really I loved it. So cute and so reasonable price.
Who's live?
Sorry?
Who's live?
No, no, no.
Recording.
Recording.
Hello, ma'am.
This is the concept. I like it. Like it's a jewelry, and oh,
This becomes a lumma.
yeah. So
You can tie
see.
according to your size also. No? Suppose the hands, suppose mine are so
Yeah.
slim, so you can tie it and make a proper bow like suit lace on.
So you can see.
It's looking so nice also, nature. But it's giving a nice look, not that only rustica look. nahi hai. And only 100 last piece. Order me, I'll make it 200.
And here I found this resin store that was really beautiful.
This is basically a beautiful one. Okay. These are the cakes, and these are the price, right? Okay. This looks basically cute. I was basically looking for some gift, and I think again there is Labubu. This is Labubu, right? What's the price of that? Eraser. Price?
25.
Okay. So those who are Labubu fan, you can definitely come to this stall. This is the eraser, 25 rupees, and these are the cute sets. This is the concept which I like over here, and all the women here, they have their stalls, and you can buy a gift for the upcoming Rakhi, and some sari, as I showed you before, jewelry. You can shop for the upcoming Durga Puja or Navratri. So this is the place where you can get almost everything, as I said, everything under one rooftop. So you can come to Holdiram banquet, and then you can have your lunch and everything.
सुमिरन किया सर अचिंत्या का विघ्न हरण मंगल करण स्वामी बिछुरो नाम गुणयोलक सुमिरन किया सर अचिंत्या का विघ्न हरण मंगल करण स्वामी बिछुरो नाम गुण अचिंत्या
Siddha, 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 Siddha,
This is the first day, so work is going on, and I had a great day. I got, as I told you, a Rakhi. That is 35 rupees. It was very cute, and then soap is there, so you can buy anything. I must say, reasonable price, definitely. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So you can come to this lifestyle exhibition from 18th to 20th of July 2025. The place is Holdiram Banquet Hall, Baliganj. So you can have your lunch in Holdiram also. So signing off.
I received this tiny gold flower, pure gold, and the rupore coin, the silver coin. And t-shirt, chocolate flower bouquet, that gold flower and silver coin. So this is what I received after the collaboration. Basically this is a late post, but I am posting it right now in YouTube. But seeing my post in Facebook and Instagram, people went there and they really had a good shopping experience, which I got the feedback over there. Some people asked me that do I often do the collaboration. I said no, if I'm not satisfied with the product, I don't do the collaboration. So after the shoot and everything, I had a great lunch at Holdiram. Basically the silver coin is called a good luck coin. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can always talk to me in Facebook or Instagram, Madhurima's Kitchen, and you can place food order from Madhurima's Kitchen Google, Facebook, Instagram page. And not only that, you can order candles from Madibi or Madhurima's Kitchen, whatever you like. So there are so many options, and obviously if you want to do collaboration with me, just drop a mail with the product details.
শাড়ির কালেকশন, আমি নিজে শাড়ি সেরকম না পড়লেও আমার মা তো পরে, তো ডেফিনেটলি আমি কালেকশনগুলো দেখি, কালেকশন কিছু দেখে নিই।
So stay tuned with Madhurima's Kitchen and Madibi, of course.